Hi viewers and friends, welcome to this channel Satish Keys. I am B. Satish Kumar, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Men's Srikakulam. Today we will discuss about the SET exam chemical science question paper. So
Let us start from 27th bit. This is the last part. Which of the following compound acts as a best catalyst for homogeneous hydrogenation reaction? Here the options is given. So the generally all are rhodium complexes. Generally rhodium complexes are used as a homogeneous catalytic hydrogenation. So homogeneous catalytic hydrogenation, Wilkinson is a triphenylphosphine, tris triphenylphosphine, rhodium chloride. It is a 16 electron species. It is a stable compound. So this is called option is B is the correct. Identify the product of the following reaction is. So this is called toluene. So this is called Birch reduction. So Birch reduction, so generally 2,5 dihydrotoluene is the product, right answer, because it is a R group, electron releasing group. So the electron density more ortho and meta positions. This is called ortho to this group. So here the both reduced here. So radical anion takes place at here. So the electron density more. So hydrogenation takes place at here. If the benzene having electron withdrawing groups like COR, CONH2, aldehyde group, etc., the reduction NO2 groups, etc., we will get 1,4 dihydro products. So these are the products we will get it. So which statement is correct about the enantiomer of chiral compounds? Correct about the physical properties different. It's not correct. All their chemical reactions are identical. So this is correct. Racemic mixture, rotated plane, right? All these are, so the options B is the correct answer. Identify the type of reaction which of the following pericyclic reaction. So this is called a simple reaction, is a Cope rearrangement reaction. Generally it's a Wold reaction. Generally sigma Claisen rearrangement is a allyl vinyl ethers into gamma delta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. That is called Claisen rearrangement. Here it is a Wold reaction, Claisen. This is called 3,3 sigmatropic rearrangements. So a new bond between 3 and 3 carbons. So it is answer is 3,3 sigmatropic Cope rearrangement reaction. Option A is the correct. Next bit, which following drug molecule is used as a. The drug molecule is not given. We are giving this molecule. The structure of this molecule is aspirin. Generally aspirin used as a analgesic. It reduce the pain or decrease the pain. Following matching. So this is the this is called primary hydrogens. These are secondary hydrogens. These are tertiary hydrogens. These are tertiary. This is called primaries. You already know all these things. So the option C is the correct answer. You can calculate it. The mean activity of sodium sulfate. The formula of sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. So the mean activity is, so Na2 means cation whole square, anion SO4 2 minus, so minus 1 by A plus B. Here 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So option is equal to D is the correct answer. The match the following compounds. These are here given. C3H4 is a alene compound, so it is a D2D molecule. Pyridine is a C2 molecule. Ferrocene is a D5H, and it is in a eclipsed form of ferrocene. Ferrocene means FeC5H5 twice. It is a D5H. If staggered ferrocene is D5D. PF5 is a trigonal bipyramid, so it is a D3H. So option B is the correct answer. So the matching answer is B is the suitable for this matching. So option B is the correct. So 35, the lowest energy term symbol for the silicon atom. So silicon atom means neon 3s2 3p2. So the p2, p orbital having 3 orbitals, so 3p2, so this is called +1 0 -1, so the L value is equal to 1 plus 0, so 1, so it is p orbital, it indicates L is equal to 1, those p orbitals. Here the S value is equal to half plus half is equal to 1, so the spin multiplicity 2s plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the options P3 is the right answer. So option B is the correct. The lowest allowed energy equal to 0. So lowest value here the hydrogen atom. So lowest value not equal to 0. In the harmonic oscillator is half HW. Particle also not 0, so the rigid rotator is forms generally J into J plus 1. Here J is equal to 0, so total is 0. So answer is B. At 400 kelvins, the rate constant reaction is 10 times more than that of rate constant at 200 kelvins. The activation energy of the reaction in calories. So it is a very important bit. The formula for according to Arrhenius rate equation. Log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R into 1 minus T1 minus 1 by T2. You substitute the values of T1 is equal to 100, T1 is equal to 100 and T2 is equal to 400. So K2 is equal to 10 into K1, so K2 is equal to 10 into K1. So you substitute all these values. Here the log 10, so is equal to EA by 2.303 into 2 equal to, so 1 by 200 by 1 by 400. So all these values you can calculate it. So EA is equal to 2 into 3.303 into 400. We will get this answer. You can calculate it. We will get 1842.40. The total valence electrons count and the structure adopted by the cluster molecule. So this is called, we can calculate it. So the option is A is the correct answer. 39. What is the change in atomic number when the atom emits a beta particle? So generally increased by 1. Generally carbon 6 14, so emit a beta radical, so nitrogen 7 14 minus, beta radical means electron, so we can increase the 1 electron, so the answer is increased by 1. The matching following: carboxypeptidase, it is a zinc hormone. Here the nitrogen is a molybdenum and hemocyanin is a copper. Then myoglobin is a iron, so iron is not given, we are giving the answer, so Fe2 plus, so iron, so option is 4. Option B is correct, so correct it. So next bit, the energy order of UV electronic electronic transitions. Generally sigma to sigma star is a higher energy, so lower wavelength, so option C is the order is sigma to sigma star, N to sigma star, pi to pi star, N to pi star. It is a very easy bit. The number of ESR lines observed in UO2 plus. Generally uranium I value is called 7 by 2. Uranium is a 92 element, so it is I value is 7 by 2. The formula is 2Ni plus 1. So number of lines we can easily calculate by using this formula. So 2 into N means 1 uranium, I means 7 by 2 plus 1. You can substitute with value. You will get 8 lines observed in this UO2 plus case. So next bit, which of the following are molecules shown the list of the increasing reactive order of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. This is called aniline, ethyl benzene, benzamide and benzene. So generally aniline is a plus M group, ethyl is a plus I group or plus I group, this is called. So benzene like this. So the order of the reaction, generally aniline is a more reactive than ethyl benzene, tarvata benzene, next benzamide. So option A is the suitable for this question. Next, each of the following of one is a functional group addition, FGA. So all are wrong answers, we can skip it. The mass spectrum of dihalo compound shows peaks with relative intensity of 1:2:1 corresponding to M plus 2, M plus 4. This case dihalo compound, generally bromine isotopes are 79 and 81. Both are isotopes, both are equal intensity, so 1:1 ratio. So two halogens A plus B whole square, A square 2AB plus B square. Here the A is equal to M, it is called M plus 2, it is M plus 4. So 1 square 2 into 1 into 1 plus 1 square. So we will get the intensity ratios 1:2:1. Remaining chlorine, bromine and dichloro compound and fluoro and chloro benzene compounds are not, all are wrong answers. So right answer is A is the dibromo benzene compound showing 1:2:1 intensities. So the in polypeptide N-terminal amino acid is determined by, so Dancel method is also used for the determination of N-terminal amino acids. Sanger's reagent 2,4-DNFB antam, 2,4 dinitro-fluorobenzene. So Admine method also used for the determination of N-terminal amino acids. So option 1, 3, 4 is the correct answer. So 1, 3, 4 is the right answer. So option C is the correct. Next bit, which of the following product is formed when benzaldehyde treated with methyl magnesium bromide? It gives secondary alcohol. Generally here the benzaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide. This methyl group attacks the carbonyl carbon. To form that carbon forms two alkyl bonds, so it is a secondary alcohol. Acetophenone forms tertiary alcohol or acetone. Formaldehyde forms primary alcohol. Next bit, in the maths, the following is different electrodes is given. So list 1 and list 2. Here the reference electrode. So this is called SHE reference electrode is hydrogen platinum. This is called 1. Redox electrode. This is called redox electrode Fe2 plus 2 Fe3 plus. It's a reversible electrode. So remaining is AgBr. So option A is the correct answer for this matching. Among the following function, which one is neither even or odd? So this is called a wrong answer. So this is called right answer is this. The gas reaction A plus 2B gives rise to 2C. Delta H value is given 90 minus 90 kilojoules and delta S is equal to minus 200 joules per Kelvin at 400 degrees. The delta G value for this equation. So this is called by 2. So first of all we calculate this delta G value for this reaction, then we apply for this reaction. So you know the formula, delta G is equal to delta H minus TdS. So here the delta H is given, so 90,000 joules, so minus 90,000 joules minus T means 400, delta S is equal to minus 200 joules. Total all our delta G is equal to joules, 10,000 joules. So delta G for 10,000 for 2C, for C by 2 we will get to, so joules, it is equal to minus 5 kilojoules. So option C is the correct answer for this question. Thank you. See you in next question paper.